We've been attacked.
I hope I live. It's coming down on me. No one can go in to get the people out. There's small explosions still going on.
Where'd you get close there, buddy?
Yeah. We just heard another explosion. They're handing out gloves and masks. Oh my God, there it goes!
The South Tower comes down.
Good view. Oh my God! Holy shit! Holy shit! That was fucking crazy! Oh shit!
This is as close as we can get to the base of the World Trade Center. You can see the firemen assembled here, the police officers, FBI agents, and you can see the two towers. A huge explosion now raining debris on all of us. We better get out of the way.
Obviously, the cameraman knows he's in trouble on that one, and everybody's starting to run when they see Tower 1 falling to the ground. And when you're running like that, just in fear for your life, you have no idea how close that is behind you.
You don't dare look back.
And it's just coming from every street. Look at that.
You saw it.